Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting with the exact cells or chart you want to save as a JPG. First, set the print area so only the content you need is included. This controls cropping and prevents extra rows. Make sure page layout matches the intended output, orientation, margins, and scaling at 100% to preserve size. Then try copy as picture, as shown on screen for quick capture, or save the sheet as a PDF when you need higher fidelity before converting to an image. Once you have a PDF or a copied image, convert it to JPG. If you saved a PDF, open it in an app like Photos or Preview and export as JPG, picking desired quality to control file size and clarity. If you used copy as picture, paste into Paint or Photoshop, then crop and export as JPG. Make sure to set resolution or export quality. Higher DPI yields crisper text. Lower quality keeps file size small. Name and save with a clear file name. To finish, check the JPG for legibility and correct margins. Export again if necessary at a higher DPI for printed use. If text is blurry, open the original PDF and export at 300 DPI, or recopy the cells at a larger on-screen zoom before capturing to improve raster detail. If you need multiple sheets, export each as a separate JPG and stitch them in an image editor. One troubleshooting tip: when paste gives low resolution, prefer PDF export, then convert to preserve sharpness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.